chair. Hey guys, can you see me? Good morning. Is it morning still? No, it's the afternoon. Hey guys, good afternoon, good day. It's another very beautiful sunny day. So I woke up a bit late, but that's okay. Our body needed some rest. I have been the past few weeks or days, I've been sleeping very late, like 2 a.m. ish late, and I know it's from the phone. It's from the light when I'm using my phone that keeps me from sleeping, but yeah, that's just what happens. And I've been doing that for days now, and it's not really good for me. I've been waking up around 10, sometimes even 12. Life update, life's been okay. I'm happier now that the sun's coming out a bit more. It's spring definitely here in Perth. What else should I update you? I haven't been editing, so I don't know. You would have noticed that I haven't posted for like 2 weeks. I have 2 videos that are waiting to be edited, like seriously. Plan for today is to finish a vlog, to finish editing that. We're gonna try to be productive, but also I have some stuff I have to do. I have to run errands. I have to go print something for some requirements for my mom's visa. She's planning on visiting, hopefully, fingers crossed. So I'm gonna prepare some documents. I have to print some documents and fill them up. I have to go run to the library close to home, also to return the books that I borrowed. I didn't finish reading Conversations with Friends. I don't know. Anyways, I get really bored when the book just doesn't capture my attention in the first like few pages. So that's what happened with Conversations with Friends. I read one book from Sally Rooney. I forgot what it was. I think it was Normal People, and I really liked it. It hooked me up, but this one, not really. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna probably grab some stuff from the grocery. I did do a little grocery haul yesterday, so I won't be doing too much in the grocery. Probably just a bit of snacks. The sun is giving me the best lighting right now. Let me just open a package before we go. We have here package. So this one's for the hair. So it looks like that. This is my cleanser. It's called Triple Hyaluronic Moisturizing Cleanser from Cosrx. I find that it works for me. I just like that it doesn't strip my skin of its moisture. It's not drying, but it does do a good job with cleaning. I love that it also has hyaluronic. I have really dry skin, so this works for me. I will link what I got if I find them. And then I have this one. I just wanted to try it. It's a heating eye mask. So I don't know how it works, but it must be very relaxing. So I want to try this one. I think it was on sale. And then I have this acne pimple patch stickers. They really work. So I got a bunch of them because I think I just have like literally 1 or 2 stickers left in my old pack. I have this foot mask because my foot's really dry, guys. Hopefully this helps. These are brushes, makeup brushes, and it has a few different things. I do have an event. I got invited to an opening, festival opening. I think it's Flock Festival, for this huge shop called Pigeonhole. They have lots of lifestyle pieces. They have plants, I think. They have dresses. They have home decor and everything. I'm bringing a +1, definitely. My friend Jory. But we do need to wear something red because the theme's ruby red.
Running out of steam, every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink.
Hello guys! I didn't get the time to check my wardrobe yet for a red top, so I don't know really. I'm gonna worry about that tomorrow. But right now, our focus is to finish this, lodge the visa for my mom, and then do some editing, and that's pretty much it. The next day actually. The entire morning I just spent editing a vlog. So I woke up around 9. I finished some documents for my mom's visa, had some breakfast, spent some time chatting with Queenie before she left for work, and then I edited. And right now it is 15, it's 3, almost 4 p.m. It's been just a slow chill day for me, and right now I have to look for an outfit, a red outfit for tomorrow's event. Here it is. Let me just... So that's all we have. And then here. Oops, I don't think I have something red. I don't think I have something red to wear. Why am I lazy? So I don't have something to wear. Okay, so I will probably have to leave early tomorrow to get to buy something to wear. I'm just gonna head out, look for an outfit, a red outfit for tomorrow. Probably gonna bring more than just a red outfit home, because that's usually me. But that's the plan. So I don't have to leave home tomorrow early morning. And yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me. We'll see if we find something. I hope we do. Right now it's around almost 5 p.m. I'm just gonna head out. It's just a really quick run, I hope. Oh, nice lighting. Ooh. Ow! Nice lighting. I'm using a Rare Beauty on my skin. Not the foundation, just the moisturizer. And it really does the job. Because my face is so, like, just so white compared to the rest of my body. I did not tan, mind you. But my face is just so white. I feel like it's because I always just wear sunscreen on my face to protect my skin. So to just match the color a little bit, I'm just gonna put the Rare Beauty tinted moisturizer. Love it. I'll also probably get some stuff from the Asian shop because I love the Asian shop, and there isn't one that's close to home, so we'll probably go visit the Asian shop as well. Anyways, my room is so hot. I'm gonna shower when I come back home. I didn't really shower yet. Oops, I showered last night, you guys, so don't judge me. Kinda loose, and I think this is the smallest they have, so done with our makeup, so I'm just gonna quickly if you hear that noise, it's the air condition because it's getting really steamy in here. But our makeup's done, just a simple makeup, and I don't know if I should, I'm probably gonna ask Queenie if I should curl my hair or not. My D. Hi everybody.
I'm distressed. Blame it on the internet. I try so hard to be something I'm not. I just hope that someone else can make me stop.
Cass! Hi! You got invited? They haven't invited yet? This is Jory, my friend.
Hi.
That's my boyfriend. Seth? Seth, yeah.
What's it like inside your mind, my dear? And do you find it terrifying there? You always let me know. You always let me go my way. You always let me know. You never let it show my deed. My
I'm at the city now. I'm gonna head up the train station to look for Cessy because our first stop's gonna be the art gallery. So, heading up. Good morning. Guess what I did last night? I didn't sleep. For real. I was up all night and it's 8:36. It's 8:36 in the morning and I didn't sleep because I was reading this book. I started reading it around 11:30 or 12ish or a little past midnight. It's a hating game and I couldn't just put it down. This was a little steamy, but it was a really good read. I had fun. A very light romance. And I finished 8:30 in the morning. And I'm probably gonna read another book later, but probably the best thing to do is to sleep. I'm not really sleepy at all right now. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to sleep. I'll give it a few minutes, and if I don't sleep, I'm just gonna roll along with the day. Probably be a little productive, edit my vlog. So I guess I'll see you in a bit.
You would be mad at the fact that I never eat breakfast anymore. Now that you're gone, I know you're waking up at 6 to the tropical sun just to have yours. And every time that it snows, I remember the day we made French onion soup. I was in a good mood and you crying, 'cause I never know how to read your signs. Now that we're far, and all the hours between every message just